natural phenomenon. You see that? Yes, I see that. A natural camera. Yeah, take my caps off. It's Blues River. It's a blue river. It's a blue river. A very blue river, bro. It's blue. It's natural phenomenon. With a beautiful garden by the side. This natural phenomenon. This is natural phenomenon. See this? By the side of the sea, the river, though. See, this is natural phenomenon. Awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome, man. Wow. God is the greatest. God is the greatest. God is the greatest. No doubt, you know. God is the greatest, no doubt, you know. He's so beautiful. Celebrate God. Celebrate the handwork of God, bro. God is the greatest, bro. You see that?